Imagine a time when Southeast Asia was vastly different. Instead of islands scattered across the ocean, picture a vast, unbroken landmass stretching towards Australia. This was Sundaland, a lost continent submerged beneath the waves thousands of years ago. During the last glacial period, sea levels were much lower, exposing this enormous land bridge. Sundaland encompassed present-day Southeast Asia, including Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and parts of Vietnam, connecting them to Australia. This continental shelf provided a pathway for both animals and early humans to migrate, shaping the distribution of life as we know it. Sundaland was a rich and fertile land. Lush rainforests covered much of the continent, teeming with exotic flora and fauna. Rivers flowed through the landscape, providing water and sustenance to the diverse ecosystems. This lost world was home to a variety of now extinct creatures, including giant elephants, saber-toothed cats, and even prehistoric humans. The discovery of their remains in present-day Southeast Asia and Australia provides tantalizing clues about the rich biodiversity that once thrived on this forgotten continent. The existence of Sundaland had profound implications for the development of human civilization. It served as a crucial pathway for early humans migrating out of Africa. These ancient explorers ventured across the land bridge, eventually reaching Australia and populating the continent. The cultural exchange and interactions between these early communities across Sundaland likely shaped the languages, customs, and beliefs of the region. As the last glacial period came to an end around 10,000 years ago, the planet began to warm. The vast ice sheets that covered much of the northern hemisphere melted, releasing colossal amounts of water back into the oceans. This led to a dramatic rise in sea levels, gradually inundating low-lying areas like Sundaland. Over thousands of years, the rising waters swallowed up this once great landmass. The process was gradual but inexorable, transforming Sundaland from a vast continent into a scattering of islands. The submergence of Sundaland had a profound impact on the region's geography and ecosystems. What were once mountains and valleys became islands and straits. Coastlines were redrawn and entire ecosystems were reshaped. The rising waters also isolated plant and animal populations, leading to the evolution of new species found nowhere else on Earth. This period of dramatic environmental change had a lasting impact on the biodiversity and ecology of Southeast Asia. The submergence of Sundaland also had significant consequences for human populations. As the waters rose, coastal communities were forced to adapt or relocate. Some moved inland, seeking higher ground, while others took to the sea, becoming skilled navigators and fishermen. This displacement and adaptation to a changing world likely played a crucial role in the development of distinct maritime cultures and trade networks in Southeast Asia. Across the islands of Southeast Asia, ancient myths and legends whisper of a time before the seas rose, tales of a lost land swallowed by the waves. These stories, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into the collective memory of a time when Sundaland existed. They speak of a paradise lost, a reminder of the power of nature and the impermanence of even the grandest civilizations. One enduring myth is that of the Naga, a giant serpent-like creature said to inhabit the waters surrounding the former Sundaland. Depicted as powerful and often benevolent beings, the Naga are believed by some to be guardians of ancient wisdom and protectors of sacred sites. These serpent deities feature prominently in Hindu and Buddhist mythology, highlighting the cultural exchange that likely occurred across Sundaland. Another popular legend speaks of beautiful mermaids, creatures that are half human and half fish, who lure sailors to their watery graves. These seductive beings, often associated with shipwrecks and lost treasures, may be a reflection of the dangers faced by seafaring communities navigating the treacherous waters surrounding the sunken continent. The allure of the unknown and the mysteries hidden beneath the waves continue to captivate imaginations to this day. Perhaps the most intriguing legends are those that tell of entire cities swallowed by the sea. These stories, often linked to divine retribution or natural disasters, speak of once great civilizations now lost beneath the waves. While the existence of such submerged cities remains a subject of debate, the persistence of these tales hints at the possibility of undiscovered archaeological treasures hidden beneath the ocean's surface. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this dive into history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing tales from our world's rich history. Until next time, keep exploring.